Ratmens, it's time for you to get an army.
Oh, good grief. Hello, my name is Kieran, his name is Kieran, and this is The Kieran Show. Welcome back, because we are doing a brand new series.
Series in question mark.
Series with an asterisk, a big asterisk. Some of you have asked to do a AOS iteration of our 40k army, and how much do each of them cost series. We had a funner name than that, I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. But Skaven have released, they are the first of the AOS 4.0 armies to drop, and yes. I have made a list.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Skaven, so I was like, you can firmly take this one and I'll take the Golden Boys.
Yeah, so obviously to begin, we will be doing the Skaven, followed by the Stormcast. There is a Slaves to Darkness released before the end of, before Christmas as well.
If you want to see that, you'll have to let us know, because currently we're only doing these two. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, for sure. AOS always does a bit, sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not on our channel, but ultimately it's a game we both like to do, and if it's something that you guys would like to see more of, we can't do it without you obviously clicking like, clicking subscribe, and telling us down below that you want more AOS content, because without that, we probably won't do it. Less of the negativity, more of the positivity. It's time for rats.
Let's get into it. What's first?
Oh, my lord, it's time for a starter set. So, if you've obviously seen a
Combat
lot of
Patrol?
No Combat Patrol here. On that, if you've seen our 40k videos and how much the armies cost or whatever, chances are we pick a Combat Patrol or two. So by AOS logic, that would be a Vanguard or two. However, Skaven and Stormcast they have so much plentiful minis within the starter boxes. So I just picked the bog standard one, the middle of the road starter set. Within that, you get a Greyseer for 120 points, a Warlock Engineer for 140 points, 20 Clan Rats, good grief, there's going to be a theme here with Clan Rats, for 150 points, and 3 Rat Ogres / Rogers for 160 points. So, that is nearly 600 points, yes, 570 points of rats.
How much Spearhead boxes? How much are the starter sets? Sorry?
So this is only half of the starter set box, is £67.50.
What's its full price?
What do you mean?
What's the normal price?
That is the price.
£67.50?
For the box. And that's
Is that before you've been off the Stormcast?
Before you've even binned off the Stormcast. If you're playing 40k and you're watching this video for the first time, you're like, what did he say? Wait till you get to the end. Not even joking. Yeah, so you've got a Greyseer, Warlock Engineer, Clan Rats, and Rogers for £67.50, and loads of Stormcast that you can sell off and probably make more money anyway.
I don't know whose maths in that is, but that maths ain't maths in.
Oh, it's maths in. It's maths in for sure. Because next up is the king of rats. His name is Vizek Scour. Are you ready?
No.
Excellent. He's 450 points.
Oh, just a few.
He is enormous, but when he was announced earlier in the year for all of the big Skaven
his
releases,
mini's all right.
Oh, good grief! The coolest mini in the world. Definitely one of the best minis released, I think, in the last year for sure. He's just unbelievable. His kit sets you back £95.
Ooh.
So, if my maths are massing, you've got just over 1,000 points for a little over 150 quid so far.
40k players are like,
what is this game? Next up, we've got Kritok Foulblade. So he's one of these, I think he's a Storm Vermin captain. Very cool.
Is he the new fat one?
Oh yeah, a bit of a chunky rat, wearing some nice sheen red armour. Very, very cool indeed. He is 220 points and only sets you back 25 quid. AOS for the win! He is going to be helming 10 Storm Vermin, as is his right, for 140 points or £34. This is quite wonderful, isn't it, so far?
Something like right, you've done it wrong.
No, I haven't. I can't stress this enough. AOS is, maths is so much better than 40k. We are going to circle back to Clan Rats, of course.
Then we can actually buy more boxes of them.
Only one more box, yes. So 20 Clan Rats, obviously, as we know, sent you back 150 points, or £31.50. I will put a little asterisk on there, because if you can get anything from AOS starter boxes or launch boxes, you can buy them for at least half the price on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. So, obviously, go and do that. And then next up, we have 3 Storm Fiends. So the Storm Fiends are the even chunkier rat ogres, maybe a bit more techy, super cool, lots of different interchangeable guns, and they pack one hell of a punch. That sets you back 260 points or £47.50. I must preface before I go any further, Clan Rats and Storm Fiends are in the Vanguard box, so you could get those two as well as a gun battery thing and an old duty character for 90 quid, but as I mentioned about Clan Rats, you can just get them cheaper anyway. So
I think people are running 80 of them, aren't they? Isn't that the cool thing?
Something silly like that.
Imagine paying 80 of the same miniature.
It's quite insane. But that being said, the new Clan Rats are phenomenal. I was surprised that they put new Clan Rats and an old duty character in the box for the Vanguard box, but do what you want. I have, and you should follow me. And then last but not least, I've gone with a unit of Warp Vault Scourgers, which is essentially a battery unit. So you get 3 people, almost like 3 little gun platforms. 190 points or £31.50. Okay. Quite ridiculous, isn't it?
Oh, so, £31.50 for a 190 point unit sounds about normal.
For AOS, yeah, 40k, you probably spend 60 quid for 20 points, which is very, very nice. So, in this list, we have a Gracier, a Warlock Engineer, 40 Clan Rats, 3 Rat Ogres, Vizix Scour, Kritok Foulblade, 10 Storm Vermin, 3 Storm Fiends, a Warp Vault, and 3 Warp Vault Scourges, nailed it, for 1,980 points.
Have you included a battle tome and a set of data war scroll card things?
They are called that on the box. Data war scroll card things.
Nailed it.
No, they're called war scroll cards. So the war scroll cards cost you £20.50, and the battle tome costs you £37. Guess how much a 2,000 point Skaven army costs you, including a book and some cards, which are incredibly overpriced.
Okay, so everybody knows a 40k army is about 500 quid, 550 depending on what army. Everyone knows AOS already, even in 3rd edition, was cheaper.
Yep.
I'm gonna go. I'll give you a bracket.
Okay.
It's gonna be between 410 and 450. That's what I reckon, because this is a horde army.
Yep.
So rats for days.
They are rats for days.
How much is it?
£389.50. This is a joke. And
for a horde army!
For a horde army, and the starter set includes a Stormcast that you don't even need. Quite remarkable. Quite remarkable.
What about if you're a rat in America?
A rat in America. We're the rats in America. It's $648 for a horde army.
Okay. Disneyland?
Yes. Disneyland.
Paris.
Paris exclusively, of course. €507. So far, none of this is absolutely ridiculous.
No, and the place that is the actual Skaven hellscape?
For sure. The Skaven hellscape, because probably...
Wombats.
Yeah, they could just go outside and pick Skaven off the floor. 1,027.
Oh, still 1,000.
Oh, still 1,000. Obviously, it's Australia. It's going to be ridiculous. But I just
it
mean...
always starts with a 1.
It always starts with a 1. I did really try to get it under that mark, but I just couldn't.
I'd love to do it one day. To go, no, Australia is under £1,000.
Just like, I saved you. But yeah, honestly, Skaven aren't crazy cheap if you want them to be.
We've done this all on GWR RRP prices.
Yep.
So, in essence, it probably is actually under £1,000 in Australia if you go to a third party.
Yeah, for sure. And to be fair, even in this country, like if you were to buy the Clan Rats second hand, if you were to split the starter set with a mate, let's say, if you were to buy the rest of it a third party and get at least up to 20% off as well, you're laughing. You're looking at like either 300 or sub 300, which is mad.
My biggest criticism of this army though is you haven't got enough Doom wheels, because I don't like Skaven. They're wicked.
I did think about that, and I did want to talk about some honourable mentions, because with this sort of format anyway, I tried to encompass like lots of bits of everything. Obviously, if you want to go with things like Doom wheels or anything like maybe mechanical, go down that route because it's super, super cool. I really quite like the Brood Terror and the Master Molder. They feel very like pinky in the brain. I'm going to just like absolutely decimate loads of rats and glue them all together and then just hope that they work. I love that. Absolutely love that. So I think heaven forbid I was to go down the Skaven route, it would definitely be with those creepy guys. Thankful on Bone Ripper, which is a super cool one as well. Yeah, loads of different flavour in this. Truthfully, if this is something you want to see within AOS, comment down below because I want to do some more.
Yeah, we can only do it if it gets views.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, if you're at this point in the video, you've already watched it.
Yeah, you are the view. Thank goodness for you. But yeah, super fun.
Thank you to our clan of rats.
Oh, the Kieran clan rats.
The clan
Look
rats
at these on
Kieran.
the left-hand side. But yeah, if you would like to become a clan rat or Kieran cult of something, we would love for you to head over to Patreon and YouTube memberships. And obviously, all of your support helps us immensely, gifting you with these videos and doing all of the things that we love to do. Alternatively, if you'd like to support us in another way, please like, subscribe, comment, all of the YouTube niceties. That would be phenomenal.
And check out the affiliate links if you want to save a bit of money on this rat list.
For sure. You want some rats for yourself? Go buy them from the links down there.